For which of the following integers b is the base b number 2021 base b minus 221 base b not divisible by 3? We first notice that we can actually rewrite our expression by rearranging some items. So first off, we know that this is going to be equal to 2021 base b minus 221 base b plus 21 base b minus 21 base b, because these two technically cancel out. And then rearranging gives us 2021 base b minus 21 base b minus 221 base b minus 21 base b. Okay, so we've moved it into both of these parentheses. Now let's do some subtraction. We get 2000 base b minus 200 base b. That means this is 2 times 10 cubed, 2 times b cubed, sorry, minus 2 times b squared. That can be rewritten as 2b squared factor out times b minus 1. Since we have this expression here, we realize that we can look at what this expression would be mod 3. Okay, so if we look at what it is mod 3, we realize that this has to be congruent to 0 mod 3, right, for it to be divisible. So let's look at when it's not congruent to 0 mod 3. B, the number b itself, can either be congruent to 0, 1, or 2 mod 3. Let's look at each of these scenarios. First off, starting with 0 mod 3, we have 2 times 0 squared times 0 minus 1, which is congruent to 0 mod 3. Okay, and then next we take a look at our condition with b is congruent to 1 mod 3. That would lead to 2 times 1 squared times 1 minus 1, which is congruent to 0 mod 3. And lastly, we have to consider b is congruent to 2 mod 3. 2 times 2 squared times 2 minus 1 is congruent to 8 mod 3, which is congruent to 2 mod 3. So we know that all numbers b that are congruent to 2 mod 3 would lead us to have the number here, or this expression here, not divisible by 3. So which of our answer choices is congruent to 2 mod 3? Well, 3 is congruent to 0 mod 3, 1 mod 3, 0 mod 3, 1 mod 3, and ultimately 8 is congruent to 2 mod 3. So our answer is answer choice E.